So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone 17 is just not turning on. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about is making sure that your particular iPhone is charged up and there's no issues with it. So grab some sort of charging cable, grab some sort of thing like that to basically plug it in and charge up your device. So this is probably one of the easiest things you can do is to basically just go through, plug it in, right? Plug in your iPhone to your charger and go ahead and try charging up your iPhone for the most part. That is easily one of the best things you can do, and that's one of the most important things I recommend doing here for the most part. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing here too is to try restarting your iPhone. So go through, quickly press and release the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the side button on the side right here. That is going to be another really easy thing I'd recommend kind of doing here too. Up, down, hold down the side button and allow your iPhone to basically just kind of restart. Sometimes that can easily end up fixing the problem too, and that's another very, very easy thing that I recommend kind of checking out. You can also try plugging in your iPhone to a computer of some sort, and sometimes that can also kind of like shake things around and kind of fix problems too. And from there, you can try one of those forced restarts as well, and that might end up fixing the problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.